step-by-step guide to enjoying Apple TV Plus on Mac. A user can conveniently enjoy Apple TV Plus on their Mac. They can simply access a wide variety collection of Apple's original TV shows, movies, and documentaries. With a large number of accolades and recognition, the Mac offers high-quality content for streaming on Apple devices, gaming consoles, and smart TVs. Here's how you can enjoy Apple TV Plus on Mac. First off, on the Mac, open the Apple TV app. Now locate and click on Watch Now in the menu bar. Navigate to the app to find the section dedicated to Apple TV channels. Then select Apple TV Plus from the available channels. Now follow the on-screen instructions after tapping on the subscription button. Users can subscribe to Apple TV Plus and access a comprehensive range of interesting content directly from their Mac by following the prior steps. Apple TV Plus provides a wide variety of programming options that satisfy diverse interests, whether users are fans of gripping dramas, exciting movies, or enlightening documentaries.